So guys, in this video I'm going to share you if your earning is stuck, you can earn really $2 or $3, but don't use this too much. Okay, this is a simple method. You have to just open a site link and give your website link in there. You will earn the point automatically, and automatically traffic will send by your points. Okay, you earn points, and after you point earned, it will automatically send traffic to your website. This is actually the method, and the secret is that you don't have to click anymore, just one. Okay, just see this instruction, pause this instruction and review this. So don't use this too much, like 15 minutes 20 minutes, okay, but if you use too much it will harm your account, and this is actually a working method. So what is the method? I'm going to share you step by step. The method is, we will use Google site to get impression, and Google sites, you know, a very valid sites, no spamming. So this type of work when you do in Exchanger actually send traffic to Google site then send traffic to Adsterra. That's the actually simple method. And the earning proof, I will also share my earning proof, because you know, I know this is actually work, that's why I'm sharing this with you. That's it. And so first go to site.google.com and go there, just you need to do impression work, like, you know, copy paste ad code, that's it. You just paste any ad code in here, but do this systematically. Like, you first copy the native banner code. This is very important. You know, every code not working properly, but some code work very properly. So this native banner code is very high engaging banner, and it profit you too much. So at first you have to first copy this code, paste it in embed code here, and click on next. And after that you will click on insert, and you can customize this link in here easily. Okay, again I am warning, or again I am requesting you, don't do this method too much. It's very high earning method. Also there is some risks. If you do 15 to 20 minutes per day, it's okay. Now see what I'm doing. My ad is designed done, and you can now just duplicate this. Okay, you can now duplicate this. Just click duplicate here. Okay, click duplicate here, done. After that, so first you have done this. After that you will just copy another code like social bar. You will just copy another code like social bar. That's it. That's it. You will just copy another. Okay, just paste it in embed, just paste it in here. Okay, now what actually I'm doing, just pasting in it here, and that's it. Don't do this repeat, it is only one time. And after that you will copy another code, which is banner 728x90. This code is very important. Copy this code and paste it in below the social banner code. Paste in here, click on next, insert, design it little bit, and duplicate it. That's it. I hope you're understanding my dialect, as so many have complained about this. My dialect is so different, as you know. Okay, I will try to improve it for you guys. So see, now I need to design it. And you know what, actually this working method I have shared before also, but you have missed that. That's why I need to share it again. But that time if you do, now you could have $100. You know why? Per day you can earn $1 to $3 from this method, but it will not work because you are not patient. You are not want to do things regularly. You just want one click $1,000. It's actually not gonna work. You have to do this regularly. Routine. I maintain a routine. How much time I'll use in each website, in each method. You have to follow this. Then you can earn this method. Earn from this method. Okay. So you now give a simple 5-sentence line to the blog site, because Adsterra show that type of ad which you include as a text in your blog. That's it. So if you add low CPM text, you will get low CPM ad. If you add high CPM text in your blog site, you will get high CPM ad. So what is actually the method is, so I am using finance high CPM ad in this section. That's why Adsterra will automatically get me the high CPM ad in that. So first design it, color it. You can give any color you want. Then you can resize it, like I'm giving a heading type line. That's it. My work is done. I can now publish it. Give it a name, Smart Finance, like that. I know so many my viewers follow me what actually I do, and they are getting result, but you have to be patient. Okay. Now what I'm actually doing is very simple. Publish it and copy the link. After copy the link, you can go to the 10khits.com. It's very old website, and in there you will add a site. Okay, I will share my referral link. Please use my link to sign up. And then click on add website button. Okay, click on add website button. Then in there you can see, I'm just testing it. If you add an blog link like from Blogger, then if you add an blog link like from Blogger, it will not actually work, or it will not save. See, it's showing the domain is prohibited. But as I said, as I shown you, I have used Google site. This is very valid site, so that's why this website will be taken as a legit website. And if I click on now the add site button, it will take, or it will approve my link. Okay, so now after that, click on add website. Then your website is already taken. I have already added 2 websites. I will share my earning update also. It's very high engaging site. Now you can see, you can pause it, you can setting it again, but don't need anything, just leave it alone. Now go to the Serve Now button. Just one click you need. They have a software also, you can use that software, but don't need that software. You even don't need that software. Okay, you just, if you download this, you can easily run this background of the PC, you can get points, but don't do this. Use it in the browser, do it for 10 seconds, that's it. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that's it. Okay, now click on Serve Now button, and after that you see my sharp now button is running. I am earning points, and that points will convert into this website as a traffic. That's actually the secret. See, 13 hits already I have earned in just 5 or 10 minutes. And how much actually earn you will understand. It's very high earning. But don't do this repeatedly. Okay, now see, I just checking the website how actually it's look like. This is my website, Smart Investing Pages, and this is actually showing the ads. It's first time, that's why it's taking some time, don't worry. So it will load all ads very designedly. See, my blog is very professional, and if anyone comes here, he might click on it, but don't click, no worry, I don't need click from that. I just need this impression from 10k hits. That's it. You will just only click on Surf Now button. You will automatically earn points. You will get automatically click. And the earning will automatically increase. As you can see, you can take a look back my video at first time how much I have earned, and I'm just going to refresh it because I know I am working here like last almost 30 minutes from today, so I know how much earning can generate this. So after complete 10 or 20 minutes, you just pause it. Now see, if I show you one things like just for an example, 256.53, I know it's already increased because I have confidence. That's why I'm showing you. Already I have attached so many exchanger in my blog, but this is a unique method. That's why it will also increase my earning. So I hope you got my point. You just do this and refresh your earning. I hope you will understand my first earning of this video, and this is the refreshing earning of this video, and you will get the difference. So thank you guys.